Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel and a big happy new year. We returned back to the warehouse from the 13th of January, but some of our team remained on holidays, which is why there was no upload last week. But you'll be happy to know that we are all back now, so please get ready for more weekly content. We have a huge year ahead of us for content, events, and products that we cannot wait to share with you all. If you aren't subscribed or following us on any of our socials, we highly recommend giving us a follow to see everything that we come up with this year. Anyways, let's jump into today's video. This is one of our rectangle wine caddies that had already had a layer of resin applied on it, but we weren't happy with it, so we decided it was time to change it up. Because this piece had been poured many years ago, we gave the entire surface a really good sand to help remove any oils or debris from the surface, as well as offer better adhesion with the new layer of resin. You may also notice throughout the video there is two of us. This is because we were filming the pour for a TikTok video. So if you would like to see a start to finish, including the sanding and the finishing with the table legs, head over to our TikTok page at uresin Perth. We're using our uresin liquid glass resin system, which is our most popular art coating resin. The colors we used were from both our own brand and the Archery Creations range. All the names of the colors will be listed in the description box below. These colors were chosen based off another art piece that we have displayed in our retail shop that is always a big hit. The only thing we would have done differently when creating this piece is layering between the purple and yellow, as in some sections it did start to look green, but overall it was full of depth and dimension. You'll also be able to see more of this in the TikTok. There was no special or fancy way we poured this piece. We just add some color to the surface, use a butane torch, and quite often tilt the board to help stretch the resin. We continued to add various colors in areas to create depth and layers. And once we were relatively happy with the design we created, we just go around the edges and touch up any spots that didn't get completely covered in resin. Now it's time to let the resin cure overnight. We did end up leaving this piece for about a week as we just ran out of time during our other days before we could actually finish working on it. What isn't included in this video but was filmed for the TikTok was the installation of the legs. We first sprayed the legs black with spray paint. Since we chose pretty dark colors, we didn't want the light color of the wood to look funny. Whilst these were drying, we used a heat gun and a scraper to remove any resin drips from the underneath of the wine caddy. Once the legs were coated and dried, we screwed the legs back into the caddy and we were ready to test it out. As always, we will list all of the products used in the description box below, which are all available on our website at www.uresin.com.au. We have Zip and Afterpay available with affordable shipping Australia-wide. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more weekly videos. Until the next one.